Oh, what's up, my mans? Wala, saan yung skin ko? Yari. Okay lang yan, pero... Oh. Yes, welcome to part 2. No. Hi. Today I'm gonna explore... the unknown. Dun dun dun. Okay, tara. Okay. I'm just gonna explore some of these. Okay, I'm gonna get all the ores I can. Ako ba ito nag-English? English YouTuber ba? Pang YouTuber. Ano yan? Skip nyo na to, ha? Editor. Ito pala editor. Okay. Let's see. Oh, copper. May system. Creeper. Ano, oh my god, ball. Boom. Ay, bodo lang na ano. Let's see. Okay. I just need iron, man. Iron Man. Okay. Why is there so many, man? Why was there so many? What the okay. There was so many, man. Ang dami. That was creepy. Okay. Mag-mine lang ako ng mga coal, iron. Kung may mahanap man ako iron, yun ang gagawin natin for today. Wala pa tayong powerful tools, kaya ganito lang muna tayo. Nakukulang na din ako ng wood, so kuha din tayo mamaya. May entrance dito. Meron. Let's see. Wow. Choco. Okay, next. Patayin ko lang yung shit na yun. I need food. Me hungry. I said me hungry. Me hungry. Okay, tara, balik na tayo. Let's go. Pig, may ka sa akin. Wala ng durability yung pickaxe, so mag-craft muna ako dun sa bahay at matutulog muna pala. Yo, don't run away. Tara na. Gabi na, tulog ka na. Ito ba yan? Ito. Tara. Let's go. Come on, vamonos. Wait lang. For cooking purposes to. Cooking. Ayan. Craft na ako isa pang pickaxe at matutulog. Alam ko pala staircase sa punta doon, no? May blocks ba ako? Ay. Woo! What the hell, man? Okay. serious? Okay, next. No, 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 no. Ba't ang dami? Oh my god. Tamong grabe ako mag ano. Okay. Ba't may creeper doon sa bahay ko? Kita ko, kita. Alam mo yung sneak up on me like that. Dapat. Oh my god, of course. Oh my god. Get the blocks. Ay. Medyo okay pa ako. May zombies na naman nahabol sa akin. Okay, masyado marami to. Frick! Spawn trap ako! I'm quitting. I hate this.